Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Good morning, Mr. Tulsian, and let me express on behalf of everyone in CNBC TV18 our sincere thanks on our 18th birthday. We have learned so much from you as we grow into adolescence. Let me reiterate how grateful we are to you. Well, with that, let me start the first question with something which always sweetens the mood. Sugar, we understand the stock limits are removed. Do you think that sugar can be a standout performer even from their current elevated levels, sugar stocks?
Lata, let me first wish you a happy birthday to our channel and adolescents to adult. But I think that channel seems to have born with the adult status, with the leadership, from day one. I have been associated with channel for last 16 years, and uninterrupted on an exclusive basis for more than 11, 12 years. And I wish that, we maintain the same leadership and continue to, cater to the investors community. Now, coming on your question on the sugar stock limit release, because if you really see the situation crushing having started, sometimes, because if you need to understand the background in which this stock limit was imposed, that was only in context to the scarcity, or the closing stock, seemed to be very low in the month of August, September and October, ahead of the Diwali season, when the crushing has all come to an end. Government thought of putting that stock limit of 21% and 8% over the 2 months, that is August and September. But I think once the crushing has started, there is no meaning in having these stock limits, because even if you see the stock limits which has been in force for the traders and all that, is also causing some kind of hardship to the traders, which has been prevailing for last couple of years, while this stock limit was imposed on the mills about 3-4 months back, or maybe a couple of months back. So I think that for both the situation on the traders as well as on the mills, the stock limit is meaningless, and will get removed, and things will be seen quite normal for the sugar industry. I won't be taking this as a positive move, merely removal of this stock holding limits. But overall, if you really take the situation of the production and consumption for the coming season, people are just caring that production is increasing from 203 lakhs ton to 251, 252 lakhs. But they forget to correlate this with the consumption, which will also be seen at 254 lakhs. And in the background, that when we have the opening stock of less than 4 million ton, or maybe closer to about 3.5 million tons. So in all these backgrounds, sugar continues to remain in the positive territory and in the positive zone for the next 12 months or so.
Okay, Mr. Tulsian, good morning, and once again, of course, happy birthday. You've been part of this channel for last so many years. Your thoughts on cement stocks, Mr. Tulsian? Do you get a sense that there could be a bigger bounce in some of these, or do you think there could be more correction at higher levels?
Anuj, which sector you have referred? Sorry,
Mr. Tulsian. Cement.
No, Anuj. In fact, we are keeping extremely positive on cement stocks, because if you really take the situation going forward, the kind of consumptions and the kind of the infrastructure increase which we have been seen happening, and more especially in the northern region, if you take the state of UP, you are going to see the extreme huge amount of construction and infrastructure development seen happening. Take the western corridor of the dedicated railway freight corridor, the housing, for the housing boost across the India, pan-India. And in fact, the best part for the cement is that they can only cater to a region of about 150 kilometer to 200 kilometer, while the capacity addition has not happened significantly in this last maybe couple of years. In fact, we have seen the huge consolidation, the weak hands having gone in the hands of the strong hands. The case in point is the JP Associates, which was having a capacity at one time of 35 million ton. Now it got reduced to about 8 million ton, 22 million ton having gone to Ultratech. And if you take the Aditya Birla, BK Birla group combined, having a capacity of 130, 140 million ton out of the total installed capacity of 430 million ton in the country. So I think the consolidation and the growth and the expected growth, consumption growth for the cement for this financial year is seen to be at 6%, which I won't be surprised to see it rising to 8% for FY19. So taking all this into consideration, not much of the capacity additions having happened, huge infrastructure growth and the kind of consolidation consolidation, having come in the hands of the strong people or maybe the strong promoters, we have in fact been keeping a positive view on the cement stocks going forward, and more especially on the northern based or maybe the centric cement states, cement companies, those who are in the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So these are the pockets where we are keeping extremely positive view and overall positive view on the cement sector going forward.